What if your next burger didn't come from a farm, but from a lab? Nope, this isn't sci-fi. It's called cultivated meat. Scientists can now grow real meat, actual animal cells, without harming a single animal. Today, we're diving into how that works, what the science says, and why your future dinner might come with a side of biotech.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
It starts with a tiny sample of cells from an animal. No injuries, no drama. These muscle stem cells, called satellite cells, naturally repair muscles. Scientists just ask them to do that job in a dish. Once collected, the cells multiply fast. A 2013 experiment by Post and colleagues. Yep, the famous first lab-grown burger showed that these cells can proliferate into millions of new cells under the right conditions. Cells need food too. Nutrient-rich growth media full of amino acids, sugars, salts, and growth factors. Early research used fetal bovine serum, but recent breakthroughs, like serum-free media from multiple Nature Food 2021 studies, mean meat can be grown without animal-derived ingredients. Cells then differentiate into long muscle fibers. Think of them as tiny threads that bundle together to create texture. Simple shapes like nuggets and patties are easiest. Steaks? Those need more complex scaffolds, an engineering challenge researchers are actively tackling. According to Nature Communications in 2023, one of the biggest promises? Sustainability. A CE Delft life cycle analysis in 2021 showed cultivated meat could use 95% less land and cut climate impact by up to 92%, if powered by renewable energy. But it's not perfect yet. Costs are still high. Growth factors are pricey. And scaling up bioreactors to feed millions of people? That's a huge engineering puzzle. Many scientists say we're close, but not quite there. Countries like Singapore and the US have already approved limited sales. As costs drop and production scales, cultivated meat could move from novelty to normal. So that's how you grow meat without killing animals. It's real science, real meat, and maybe a real part of our future. Would you try cultivated meat? Tell us in the comments. Your answer might surprise you.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.